October auto sales reflected a sharp surge across major segments, signaling a rebound. Let's do a three-point analysis to find out if the trend will actually continue in the peak festive month as well. 1. Festivities bring cheer to automakers. While continuing the momentum from the previous month, automakers are seen cruising at the top gear, with most of them really seeing strong growth in the month of October. Now, the encouraging numbers also came on the back of a shift towards personal mobility, also positive sentiments across rural and also semi-urban areas, and the continued expectations of a strong demand, and that is during the festive season. Now, segment-wise speaking, passenger vehicles or PV segment, also the two-wheeler segment and tractors, they've all done exceptionally and phenomenally well. Now, as automakers really continue to pump channels ahead of the festive season, as they really see strong demand traction as well. What's more encouraging is that the commercial vehicles have also picked up significantly, and most of them are almost reaching the pre-COVID levels as well. However, what continues to struggle is the three-wheeler segment, as people still continue to fear taking the public transport, in the current crisis situation. 2. The sales numbers fine print. Within the two-wheeler segment, what continues to do exceptionally well is the sales of the smaller cc or 110cc or commuter bikes, for example. And Hero MotoCorp, being the leader in this segment, actually had witnessed a phenomenal 34.6% growth from a year ago period. Also, it had sold 8.06 lakh bikes in the month of October, its highest ever sales in any single month. Also, Bajaj Auto's two-wheeler sales grew 18% in October to 4,70,000 units from a year ago period. Its popular brand Pulsar recorded sales of over 1,70,000 units, the highest sales ever. Now, TVS Motor also surprised us with a 24% growth here. Whereas Eicher Motors, which is a leader in the higher cc bike segment, it actually witnessed a decline of 7% in this month of October. Now, within the passenger car segment, the compact cars have been the flavor of the month, and Maruti, the leader in this space, actually posted a growth of 26.6%. Now, rebound in the commercial vehicle segment is happening, but at a slower pace. Especially on a month-on-month basis, what we have seen is a sharp double-digit recovery for most of the car makers this time around in the passenger vehicle space. If you see, M&M registered a triple-digit growth in the commercial vehicle space. Also in the medium and heavy commercial space, we did see a good growth. Tractors performed well. Escort sales actually grew 1.1% from a year ago period as well. Mahindra and Mahindra also registered a growth of 2.5% this time. 3. What's the outlook going forward then? Well, if you see, going into the peak festive month, the month of October, the month of November, the passenger vehicle and the two-wheeler segments, if you talk about, they are both expected to continue to do well in this month as well. The demand will continue to remain strong in this month because there is Diwali, Dhanteras, all these auspicious days that are coming up. Hero's management has highlighted that there have been positive turnaround in the consumer sentiment for motorcycles especially, which will further drive sales in November. Now, the commercial vehicle numbers are also expected to improve going forward as and when the economic activities are picking up. Escorts, the leader in the tractor space, says demand is driven by higher crop production and easy availability of finance as well. Now, they also expect the demand momentum to continue and supply chain issues smoothened out in the next few months as well. Now, in all, festive cheer definitely has brightened up the sales expectations for the coming months as well.